All the links are in the description. If you've ever struggled to clean your car's undercarriage or your driveway, today's video is going to change the game. Pressure washer undercarriage cleaners are lifesavers, letting you blast away dirt, grime, oil, and road salt without crawling under your vehicle. And we're breaking down the top 6 options on the market so you can see which one truly stands out. From dual-function water brooms to simple high-pressure attachments, we'll compare features, performance, ease of use, and value for money. Make sure to stick around to the end and let us know which one you'd pick. Number 6. AOERT 16-inch Pressure Washer Undercarriage Cleaner. The AOERT 16-inch Pressure Washer Undercarriage Cleaner is built to make undercarriage cleaning fast and stress-free, attaching to most electric and gas pressure washers with its universal 1/4-inch quick connect fitting and handling pressures up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, which means it can tackle everything, from caked-on road grime to oil and winter salt. Featuring a 16-inch wide cleaner head and 2 extension wands, it allows users to reach deeper or tighter sections under larger vehicles, making it much easier than maneuvering a standard wand alone. And its straightforward assembly with quick connects ensures minimal setup frustration. In real-world use, the AOERT performs well for cars, trucks, and SUVs, significantly reducing cleaning time and effort, though its performance is naturally tied to having a high enough PSI on your washer, ideally above 2,500. Compared to similar products like the Vevor or Ridgewasher 16-inch cleaners, it hits the essentials without extra bells and whistles. So while it doesn't include dual-function cleaning or specialized caster wheels, it's durable and reliable for homeowners or DIYers who need a solid, simple solution. Its 16-inch coverage is a major time saver over smaller wands, though it can feel bulky for storage. Number 5. Ridgewasher 16-inch Undercarriage Cleaner. If you're looking for something a bit more versatile, the Ridgewasher 16-inch Pressure Washer Undercarriage Cleaner combines a straight and curved extension wand, 4 nozzles, smooth rolling casters, and even a chemical injector bottle to let users tackle stubborn grime, oil, and salt without crawling under their vehicles. It operates best above 2,500 pounds per square inch and connects to most washers easily, offering a wide 16-inch spray that outperforms standard wands, and the caster wheels make sliding under cars, trucks, and SUVs a breeze compared to fixed-head units like the AOERT. One standout feature is the optional foam cannon, which lets users pre-soak undercarriages for deeper cleaning, a perk not all competitors offer, though it can be fragile. Build quality feels sturdy, and in practical use, it significantly reduces effort and cleaning time, while the spray pattern covers hard-to-reach angles thanks to the straight and curved wands, compared with simpler 16 inches. Cleaners, Ridgewasher delivers better maneuverability and more thorough coverage, though larger dual-function cleaners like JANZ or Westinghouse still outshine it for multi-purpose surface cleaning. Overall, it's excellent for DIY detailers, garage enthusiasts, or anyone who needs effective undercarriage cleaning with added flexibility. Would you take advantage of the foam cannon? Comment below. Number 4. JANZ 16-inch Pressure Washer Undercarriage Cleaner and Water Broom. The JANZ 16-inch Pressure Washer Undercarriage Cleaner doubles as a water broom, giving it an edge over single-function attachments, and its 4,000 pounds per square inch rating plus universal 1/4-inch quick connect fittings make it compatible with most gas or electric washers. It comes with 3 extension wands, including straight and angled options, and 16 interchangeable nozzles, offering impressive reach and customizable spray patterns to tackle everything from oily road salt to driveway grime. Its foam cannon allows pre-treatment for stubborn buildup, and the well-sized wheels make sliding under vehicles effortless. Compared with the AOERT or Ridgewasher, the JANZ model provides more versatility for both undercarriage and surface cleaning without needing extra tools, making it ideal for those who want an all-in-one solution. In practice, users report drastically reduced cleanup times, though, like all pressure washer attachments, it requires adequate PSI for best performance. Its dual-mode design, extensive nozzle set, and accessory count make it a standout option for home garages or DIY enthusiasts who want more control and efficiency. Would you use it for your driveway too? Let's hear your thoughts. Number 3. Westinghouse Universal 16-inch Pressure Washer Undercarriage Cleaner. The Westinghouse 16-inch Undercarriage Cleaner and Water Broom is a versatile powerhouse with a 4,400 PSI rating, offering 4 nozzles and a 16-inch spray path that handles vehicle undersides and flat surfaces, like driveways or patios, with ease. While its universal M22 1/4-inch connector works with most washers, its ergonomic design, long curved wand, and wheels make under-vehicle maneuvering effortless, especially for SUVs and trucks. And the dual-function water broom allows users to switch quickly between tasks without needing additional attachments, giving it an edge over simpler units like AOERT or Ridge Washer. Compared to JANZ or Tool Daily models, Westinghouse provides a slightly higher PSI and solid build quality with a 180-day warranty, giving confidence in long-term performance for household use. In real-world scenarios, it dramatically reduces cleaning time. Although, like all 16-inch attachments, lower-powered washers may see reduced effectiveness. For those wanting a reliable, multitasking tool that handles both undercarriage and surface cleaning efficiently, Westinghouse is a top contender. Would you prefer this higher PSI model for tougher grime? Drop a comment. Number 2. Tool Daily Dual Function Undercarriage Cleaner Tool. Daly's 16-inch dual-function attachment merges undercarriage cleaning and surface washing in one, working with most washers in the 1,500 to 4,000 pounds per square inch range and connecting via 1/4-inch Quick Connect. It includes 3 extension wands, including a 90-degree angled wand, letting users reach tight or deep spots easily, while pivoting couplers make switching between undercarriage and water broom modes fast. In practice, it's praised for cutting cleaning time and spreading pressure evenly, though extreme grime may require higher PSI or repeated passes. Compared with competitors like JANZ and Westinghouse, it's slightly simpler in nozzle count, but still versatile, durable, and cost-effective for DIY enthusiasts or homeowners who need a practical, dual-purpose solution. Its aluminum components and smooth rolling wheels add to usability, though minor assembly quirks exist. Overall, it's a strong all-rounder for those balancing performance and affordability. Could this be the perfect budget-friendly option for you? Comment below. Number 1. DUSICHIN Undercarriage Cleaner Water Broom. The DUSICHIN 16-inch undercarriage cleaner and water broom is a dual-function marvel with 4 extension wands and 4 nozzles, letting users tackle vehicle underbodies and driveways with ease. Compatible with most washers up to 4,000 pounds per square inch via a 1/4-inch Quick Connect. Its pivoting coupler and smooth rubber wheels make maneuvering under cars, trucks, and SUVs simple, and its wide coverage outperforms standard wands for both speed and efficiency. Compared to other dual-function attachments like JANZ or Tool Daily, DUSICHIN provides slightly more flexibility with extra wands and spray options, though core performance is similar across all high PSI units. Users report significant reductions in cleaning time, but lower-powered washers may struggle to deliver maximum force. Its combination of usability, accessory set, and dual-purpose design makes it an excellent value for car enthusiasts, DIYers, and homeowners seeking a practical, all-in-one solution. Would you choose the DUSICHIN for your garage? Let's discuss. All the links are in the description. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tips on car care and cleaning tools. Which undercarriage cleaner would you choose? Let us know below.